Guys, I'm right here, and today we are going to do a natural dirt. And basically what that means is I'm just going to vacuum my room without putting anything down. I'm just going to vacuum it and see what we get up. Vacuum test does the same thing. That's kind of where I got to start doing it because it seems like a lot of people like that. My carpet's not in the best shape, and I'm going to be getting it roofed out anyway because the floors underneath here actually aren't too bad. I mean, they've seen better days, but I'm probably just going to clean them up and they'll look pretty good. There is a video that's going to be going up of me doing a natural dirt with this because I did it in my mom's room and it got a lot. I just got that. This, I'll do a natural dirt with if it's unblown, but it's really hard to use, and I would much rather prefer using this thing, which is really easy to use, and this thing that's decent to use. So, and with a rewind, you can just pull out as much as you need. You don't have to pull out all of it. I mean, you can do that with a normal one, but then once you pull out a little bit, it all just starts to fall off as you're vacuuming, so there's no point. Plug the fan. Hopefully it's not on, because that always jump scares me. Okay, good. Okay, so usually I do... I'm just going to use this. It's the first time it's ever been used, actually. Alright. Should be on the lowest setting. Well, for the most part, I just have it on low. Bare floors is for bare floor, so try not to smoke the belt. See what it picked up. Now this is a pretty low pile carpet, so not too much stuff can get buried in it, but I've gotten quite a bit out of it before. Okay, can't really see how much is in there, so I'm just gonna empty it out. So if you guys once I show you how much it picked up. And I already vacuumed it like a bunch of times yesterday because I like to vacuum a lot. And I use this thing on it, I use this thing on it, I use this thing mostly. And this is what it got. And I vacuum almost every day. Now that might not look like much, but if you vacuum every day, you shouldn't even get that much out of there. It's a lot of fine dust and a lot of curlies. We do have a cat. I do like this vacuum, and if you like it too, I mean, it's got, you know, your normal attachments that you get on a vacuum at Walmart. It has a rewind. All you do is press this button, and it unplugs it by itself. And it goes right in. It's got the nice fluffy brush, nice extension wand, and the normal Hoover crevice tool. And it's got a turbo brush. And it's got the system check indicator, so if there's like any kind of clog or it's not like having an easy time working, it'll not be green. It'll be like halfway red or at some kind of amount of red. Oh, and the cord, I'll just pull it out all the way for you guys. It's actually got stickers to tell you when you're getting close to the end. And then shortly after the yellow is the red. And that's as much cord as you get. It's not the longest cord. I think it's like 22, something like that. It's got a nice hose. A lot of the newer vacuums have that kind of hose. This Eureka over here has one of those cheap hoses, but it's pretty old. This one is 2003 and older than that, but it's a Hoover, and it was more like a really good vacuum when it first came out. It has two brushes, two tubes going around, but I'll see you in the next one. And maybe I should do a part 2 to this. Maybe just right after I end this video, I'm going to go over it again with this and see what this one might have forgot, because it might have forgot something. You never know. But see you in part 2.